Now, I would like to ask you a question. Can we detect problems before they happen? The answer is yes. As all these problems like loose components, cracks on the track, they all share a common root cause, that is vibration. We do train health monitoring and vibration monitoring every year, but as you can see from this picture, it's a very tedious job. We need to run wires all along the train like a spider web and connect it to the data logger, amplifier, power supply, and the laptop. That's the reason why we invented the V-sensor, to make it small like a credit card-sized device.
We are in this factory in Shenzhen. As you can see, there's so many equipment behind me. Each one is responsible for different tasks, from auto placing components on the PCB to auto soldering. Well, right now we've got a special machine over here. It's called an auto squeegee. What it does, it uses this robot arm and automatically swipes the paste on top of the stencil in order to populate the PCB on the bottom with soldering paste. So after being squeegeed, each PCB now has soldering paste on top of their holes. So this is a real V-sensor system being assembled right now using an autoplace machine robot. The components are all lined up over here and it's picking them up one by one and placing them on the PCB. The CPU is on back over there. So this is a new V-sensor which has just been made. Zoom in over here. You can see the tiny little components being placed on top of the soldering paste, including the CPU over here, the sensors on the side. This is one of the final stages of our PCB production. It's called a reflow oven. As you can see, it's a really long machine and has 7 stages of heating the PCB so that the soldered paste are properly soldered with the component.
The sun hasn't died deep in my bones, straight from inside.
This is a train mirror. And there was breakage here on that point. So we installed the V-sensor on the train mirror to do vibration monitoring. We import the data to the simulator, and you can see that there is a red location here. It means it's a high stress area, and it corresponds to the welder location, and it is the weakest location of this component. Therefore, we weld a plate on top of this component. Before, it was red in color. Now, it becomes blue. It means it's safe now. And that's the real-life reinforcement. And it never had any problems ever since. Imagine if we can install the sensor all over the train to do big data analysis. We can prevent problems before they happen. I will end this presentation with a quote. The whole ground can be against me, but if I know it's right, I will do it.
I said, welcome to the new age.
Thanks
to
so
the
much
new
for your
age.
listening.
To the new age. I said, welcome to the new age. To the new age.
So next is a Q&A part.
Thank you so much for this presentation. I'm from the aerospace industry. We